In this video, we'll be creating the base of the vise assembly. The base is the foundation of vise, providing stability and support for all other components. It ensures that the vise remains securely mounted and can withstand the applied force during operation. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can use them to check dimensions. You can download the drawing file from the link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your units to millimeter. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Invoke line tool. From origin, draw a line of length 5. Horizontal line, distance 40. OK. Then vertical line, distance 13. Next, distance 10. Then downwards and connecting origin. OK. Now from solid, take revolve feature. Profile is already selected. Axis, select this axis. OK. Isometric view. Invoke create sketch. Now select the bottom face as sketching plane. Take circle tool. And vertically, from origin, draw a circle of diameter 10. Then another circle of diameter 20. OK. Take horizontal constraint, center and the origin. Take line tool, and from this edge, draw a tangent line. Here also another line. Yes. Now make it construction line, and from the center to origin draw a center line. OK. We'll give symmetric constraint. This both line and the center line. Yes. Take trim tool and trim this circle. OK. Now we'll give dimension. Between this and this line, the angle is 30. OK. Now tangent constraint from this arc and the line, and also this line. Yes. Now we have to give distance between the center point and the origin. The distance is 68. OK. Now the sketch is fully constrained. From solid, invoke extrude feature. Select this profile and to the top side, extrude it to distance 10. OK. Now we'll give fillet feature. Invoke fillet feature. Select this edge and this edge and give fillet of radius 5. OK. Now we'll give pattern. From create, pattern, circular pattern, object type features. From timeline, extrude and fillet feature. Next we have to select axis. Select this edge. OK. In distribution is partial. Angle 180, quantity is 3. OK. Next we will select the bottom face as sketching plane. Take line tool. Make it construction line. From origin, horizontally draw a center line. Change construction line. Now, while drawing the vertical line, make sure it is coincident to the bottom edge. From this, draw a vertical line, connecting this horizontal line, then angled line, then horizontal line, and here, and close sketch. Okay. Now take constraint, symmetric constraint, these two angled line and center line. Okay. Now take dimension. The length will give 40 and this 20. Now from here to this point, the distance is 30. From to origin, the distance is 93. Yes, now the sketch is fully constrained. Invoke extrude feature. Extend type to object and select this face. Okay. Yes. Next, invoke a create sketch. Select front plane. Take line tool. And from here, draw a horizontal line connecting to this point. Okay. Take coincident constraint, this point and here this point. Okay. Now here also to this edge. Make it coincident. Take dimension and this distance will give us 8. This line length is 30. Okay. Now take project tool. Select these two edges and this edge. Yes. Okay. Now we can cut it. From solid, invoke extrude feature. Profile is selected. Direction symmetric. Extend type all. Yes. Now the profile is cut. Isometric view. Now invoke create sketch. We have to select the front plane as sketching plane. Take line tool. And again from here, connecting to this point, draw a line. Now we'll make it constant to this corner and the end to this. Now from solid, create, take group feature, select this profile. Thickness will give 5. In flip direction, select it. Okay. Yes. Now select this top face as sketching plane. Take circle tool and downwards from origin draw a circle of diameter 16. Now we'll make it vertical. Okay. Dimension. This distance will give 35. Yes. Now from solid, invoke extrude feature. We have to select the circular profile. this and select the complete profile. Next and type is to object and select this top face. Operation is join. Okay. Next we will select the top face as sketching plane. Take circle tool and from the center of the circle draw a circle of diameter 12. Then extrude. Select the profile. Extrude it to distance 10. Okay. Now select this face as sketching plane. Take circle tool. From here concentric to the circle. Diameter 9. Solid extrude feature. Select this profile and extrude to 15. Okay. Now from create, take thread. Select the circular face. You can accept the default setting. Modeled. Select the option. Yes. Yeah. Now from create, invoke mirror feature, object type features. From timeline, select these features. One feature, second feature, third feature and fourth feature. Select these 4 features. Mirror plane, select the front plane. Okay. Yes. Now we have successfully designed the base of the vice assembly. Make sure you give all the correct dimensions. This component serves as the foundation for entire assembly. Stay tuned for next part where we will continue building more essential components.